Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. Our welding mesh machine, popular in many countries. Fully automatic production line. Can reduces manufacturing costs and shortens lead times. Fed automatically. The pneumatic welding device ensures high efficiency and stability of welding. Welding speed max 80 times min. Automatic grabbing and stacking, realizing a high degree of automation of the production line. Steelmama always give you proper solution.